How to register on Zangi Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to create a new account on the Zangi app on your Android device. First, open the Zangi Messenger app on your Android device. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store. After that, check the box to agree to Zangi's terms of use and privacy policy. From there, tap on Register to begin creating your account. At this point, allow the notification and immediate permissions when prompted by tapping Allow on each pop-up. In the next step, set up your profile by entering your first name and last name in the fields provided. Following this, tap on the Add option if you want to add a profile photo, then tap Continue. Once done, create a strong password of at least 6 characters and confirm it in the next field. From here, keep in mind that Zangi does not collect identity information, so there is no password reset option. If you forget your password, you will permanently lose access to your account, so make sure to memorize it. At this stage, tap Continue, and you'll be shown your unique Zangi number. This is also used to log in, so make sure to save it somewhere safe, as it cannot be restored if forgotten. After this, tap Continue and read through the remaining information screens and tap the arrow icon to proceed through each one. Finally, once all steps are completed, your Zangi Messenger account will be successfully created and ready to use. And that's it. If this guide helped you register on Zangi Messenger, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.